In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix game chat on PS5. So firstly, what you need to do is to click on your PS5 logo here on your controller, as you can see, because then you should now be taken here. Now on this page right here, you're going to scroll down and click on Game Base right here. Now on Game Base, then you're going to click on this button right here, as you can see, the Options button, and then click on Go to Game Base. And in here, we're going to scroll down until we can see the game-based settings in the top right corner here, and then click on voice chat settings. And in here where it says mute game voice chat, make sure that this one is turned off right here. It's very important that this is turned off. And this one you're going to set to allow instead. What you can also do is to click on microphone level and make sure that this one is high enough for you, of course. So if it's too low, you need to basically switch so you can actually hear or they can hear you, of course. And now when you're done, you're going to go back into the main page here once again, and then you're going to click on settings in the top right corner. Then click on users and accounts. Then you're going to scroll down and click on other and click on restore licenses. And make sure to select every game in here and click on restore and then click on yes. And now what you need to do is to wait for it to finish, and then when it's done, go back and try once again. And hopefully now it's going to work for you.